morning mga gang. Ano ngayon? January 30, Sunday. And nasa bakasyon po kami. And yesterday, Friday night kami dumating pero hindi ako nakapag-vlog because plano ko sana mag-vlog but I couldn't vlog because my daughter was really sick. Like, nasa akin lang siya the whole time. Since I got here until yesterday, the whole day yesterday and also last night. She was very clingy. She wouldn't go to her opa, her papa, and her oma. Alain mama, only mama. I'd like to show you guys the accommodation and also the area. It's pretty nice. It's called Rompot. I'll check later kung ano yung exact na location namin because basically it's a chain yata. It's all around the Netherlands. But we are currently staying at a bungalow. So, ano siya? 3 rooms po siya. So, this is the door. As soon as you come in, you'll see dito. May ano pala siya sa labas. May parang shelter siya. So, later ko na lang ipakita. You have the toilet. Hindi ko na ipakita, no? Dar. Yan. And bathroom. May tub din sila dyan. So, yan. Ruth already took a bath yesterday. So, yan dito. Tapos, may room dito siya. This is the first room. Siya maliit. Pinakamaliit siya. I think ideal for kids. Ito. Tapos may storage dito. Ayan. Good for 2 people ito dito. Nilagyan na namin ng mga jacket. Pasensya na medyo messy talaga yung yung. So, yan. Door. First room. My in-laws are staying here. So, di ko na ipakita, no? Yung sa room na lang namin. Maganda siya, no? Ayan. Cute siya. Our messy table. Ano po kami dito? 5. Including Ana. May pa-window doon. Tapos, this side, ito yung kitchen nila. Yan. May oven. May stuff na. Stove. Wala dito. Ito siya. May mga pangluto. And then, cutlery. Pangluto and pang-anik-anik dyan. Ito. May drain dito. And fridge namin. Marami kaming dalang pagkain. Yung mama ni Ruth may dalang pagkain. Tapos oven. Ito. Mga dyan, plato, mga baso. And pinaka-pantry. Hindi pala. May mga pa dito. Anik-anik. Cable TV lang dito. Walang Netflix, so it's good. Walang YouTube. Hindi siya smart TV. So it's good. Vacation mode ka talaga. Very messy po ang aming. I didn't unpack our stuff because we're only staying here for 2 days. So it's easier. So ayun, mga labahin na yun. We didn't transfer the stuff there. And Anna sleeps between us. So yung bed, as you can see, medyo dito. Hindi siya center yan, yung headboard niya. So, kasi dapat magkadikit lang ba para Ana can sleep between us. Yung gusto ko sa room na to, ito. Yan. May pa-view tayo sa labas, diba? Wow. Pero hindi namin na-enjoy yesterday because my daughter was sick like the whole day. I was really worried because ayaw niyang mag-milk, ayaw niyang kumain. Ay, nako, talaga, parang nag-worry na talaga. Sabi ko sa kay Ruth, pag hindi naging okay si Ana, at the end of the day, let's just, go to the doctor na. Thankfully, naging okay naman siya last night. But then, she was still very clingy to mama. Yeah, so, pakita ko sa inyo ito. Very nice. May, may pa-door sa labas. So, it's very cold, so hindi tayo makapunta doon. I will still show you around later on pag nakalabas ako. Yung tayo dito, yung curtains. Yeah. So you can see the other accommodation. Ito yung living room. Hindi na ako nag-ayos pa. Yan, doon lang si Ana. Doon kami ni Ana. Nakahag lang sa akin sa Ana. Pasensya naman sa kalat namin. Makalat talaga. So, overall, maganda naman yung accommodation. This is our second time in this area. last time we didn't spend the night here because Ruth's parents were with other people, so nag-visit lang kami. But yeah, it's really nice here. It's ideal for families, friends, groups of friends, and may palake dito, may really big playground, may mini golf, may shops din sila dito, may restaurant. So it's basically like a whole village or compound. Yeah, it's really a big area. If I'm not mistaken, there are over 400 houses or accommodation here. Yung units, yung accommodation nila. There are also family houses like bigger ones. But hindi kami nag-choose noon. May pool din sila dito, so a lot of people come here for a swim. Oh, it's really nice. I told Ruth I want weekends away like this, with family. Next time, itry namin na kami lang ni Anna and ni Ruth. It's also nice to go to places like this with his parents, but I would also like to try na kami lang tatlo ba ganyan. It's really nice. Yeah, so later on, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung labas pag nakalabas ako, but I really need to sleep kasi for the past, few days, wala po ako masyadong tulog kasi yung anak ko, medyo may, hindi maganda yung pakiramdam. A few days ago, hindi din siya okay, but not as bad as yesterday and today. Kasi lumalabas yung parang pangil niya ba dito, tsaka dito, so masakit. And she couldn't sleep very well. She would wake up in the middle of the night. But then, since Friday, nasa work ako, tumawag yung mama ni Ruth. I was having second thoughts whether I would, finish the work day or not. But they said naman na kaya nila. So, nag-worry ako. But Anna started vomiting sa afternoon. But I had to finish work that time. So, pumunta na sila dito. Nauna na yung parents ni Ruth dito sa accommodation namin. And Ruth and I, when we finished work, we came here na. Pero mga almost 8 o'clock na kami dumating, natulog na si Anna. But when she woke up, yun, clingy na sa akin. Gusto lang sa akin talaga. Tapos yesterday, wala. Whole day talaga siya may sakit. Kawawa yung bata. Sabi ko, sayang naman yung bakasyon. But yeah, anyways, as long as she feels good, it doesn't matter. So, thankfully, today, okay siya. In the morning, medyo ayaw pa rin niya sa iba, but thankfully, naging okay siya. About an hour ago, she started playing, she started walking around again, so I was happy. Lumabas kami yesterday with Ruth's mama, so Ruth can also go around. Kasi sayang po yung weekend, no? At least, may isa sa amin na talagang mag-enjoy ba. So, okay lang naman ako. I was just resting with Anna, so it was okay. By the way, ako lang dito kasi they went to the pool. They took Anna swimming. If it works. If not, then babalik sila dito. So, they left me here so I can rest a bit. I'm not sure I can sleep, but I will just relax. And I thought, might as well, vlog. Kasi sayang yung, yung view, sayang yung time. Yeah, I haven't been vlogging for, I don't know, a week or two, almost 2 weeks. Kasi I just wanted to spend time with Anna and medyo busy these days. May mga ginagawa kasi sa bahay namin. If I mentioned earlier, nagpakabit kami ng solar panels and then may mga tao sa bahay. Always may tao sa bahay. Busy po ako sa aking lumpia. Small lumpia business. And then, nag-start na akong mag-part-time job, ganun. And also, ano pa bang mga ganap? Feeling lang ako, no, celebrity char. Hindi naman, pero just to update my family or my relatives and my friends what's been going on. And also, para din sa akin ba, this is kind of my outlet. Parang, this is the closest I can get to my friends and my family, Parang nakikipag-usap na lang din ako sa kanila, not pa isa-isa, but everybody. Char.com. Ano pa ba? Yeah, and Ruth will do something sa aming third floor, yung aming solder, yung tawag nila. Para hindi na siya masyadong malamig doon. And yeah, maraming mga plano sa bahay. Hindi naman major na plano, pero may mga changes na ginagawa sa bahay namin, so medyo busy talaga. And then, yeah, medyo na ano pa ako, nag-a-adjust pa ako sa changes sa schedule ko. Kasi I'm used to, you know, just focusing on Anna and also the doing house stuff like that. Yeah, so more changes coming in the next few weeks kasi I think I'm gonna start working na for, I don't know, 2 to 3 days like that. And on top of my part-time jobs like that. So, yeah, ganun. Kaya, ano pala, January 30 ngayon, so birthday po ng aking papa, akong tatay, di ay, papa, akong tatay, pero tinatawag namin siyang daddy kasi yung mga grandkids niya, daddy yung tawag. Yung tatay ko, birthday niya. Happy birthday, Pok. Happy birthday, Tay. And I already called them earlier, my aunts, my cousins, and yung relatives namin andun sa bahay namin. So, yeah, I'm missing out a lot. Yeah, wala si Ana doon, tumawag kami and nakakagutom yung food nila. Marami silang food. Yeah, so anyways guys, I'll try to rest a little bit before bumalik sila dito. I'm gonna try if I can nap. Ruth left his phone so I can use it because Ana needs my phone. In case ma-irritable siya to relax her somehow. They will give my phone to Ana kasi andun yung YouTube Kids niya. Just to relax her, we do that to relax her, but she doesn't, or I don't let her use my phone a lot. Only when we're outside and she's grumpy, she's really irritable, so I give my phone. So yeah, I'm sure parents can relate to para you can para we don't have a screaming child outside when we're in a restaurant or when we're in shops or public places like that. So I have Ruth's phone in case I need to text them.
A few moments later.
May shelter dito.
Oh ja, heel erg.
So,
Walk around the lake.
maglalakad kami. Natutulog si Ana. So, yan yung accommodation namin. We're gonna walk around the lake. No cap, Dudong. No gel today.
No gel today. Weekend, hè?
It's weekend kun. Yan, yung pa-lake doon. I always forget to bring the windscreen. So when we're outside and
Home team.
Huh?
Home team lake.
One Kim. Our room is there. Ruth said this is One Kim Lake in Hanoi. There's no lake, a big area here. Adventure zone daw doon, oh. There's a small playground everywhere. There's also playground there. We passed by a big one, and there's also a really big one across there.
Yeah.
Can't really see now. There's a pizzeria there. We'll check out the water. We went there yesterday.
Yeah?
The restaurant.
Oh, this one?
This is a video area nila by the water. It's really nice. I think the view at night with the lights is really nice.
Big lake, yeah.
This is man-made, Papa, no? The lake. So nice. So, medyo busy ngayon. Maraming tao sa labas kasi the weather is so nice. Nakita namin yung papa ni Ruth. Yeah. Muy. Spade that is there. My playground is a really big one across. There's a lot of playground here, so it's really ideal for kids. Ang dami nila. Itik, mani itik.
The main
gate.
Yeah.
You go to the right.
Restaurant yan. May swimming pool dito. May mga restaurant doon. Shops. May clothing shop doon. May boutique. Nice weather. May mga pa-boat sila dito, but I don't think it's open. Otherwise, may makikita tayo dito. Snack bar, game shop, supermarket, and then may isang fashion and gift shop dito. Nandyan yung skating rink na sinasabi ko. So, pumasok ako doon sa shop kanina doon. Nag-gift shop, but hindi ako nag-film sa loob kasi may mga tao nakakahiya. Hindi pa ako comfortable na mag-vlog na may maraming tao kasi I know na hindi lahat gustong ma-videohan. My friend ako, nasabi niya talagang nilapitan daw siya nung lalaki, tapos sinabi sa kanya na burahin mo yan, kung i-delete mo yan, huwag kang mag-film dito, ganyan. Nakatry na din kasi ako dun sa supermarket sa amin, so nakakahiya. Thank you, serious, papa. Sa loob kanina. Mahal man, oy. Kami doon sa mga houses doon.
Big houses there.
So, talagang malalaking bahay ang andito. Yung sa amin, maliliit lang doon eh. Dito malalaki. So, mas mahal to dito for sure.
Dat scheelt veel, hè? Die schijn, hoor.
So, pabalik na kami sa accommodation namin. We were just walking around. Balik na kami. So, nakabalik na kami. Papasok na kami sa accommodation namin. Hope Anna is good. So, andito na kami. Anna is still sleeping. So, yun na yung ating vlog today. Hope nag-enjoy kayo, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you sa susunod na yung vlog. Mush mush babush.
Moes, moes, baboes.